Today we're going to build Stratco's Roller Toolbox. It's a great product. It comes with quite a few features that include an overhead cupboard, a pegboard back, a terrific thick bench top. All of the drawers and doors are lockable. There's handles on the side so you can move it around your garage or workshop. And you can also lock the wheels so it doesn't roll away. Let's have a look how it goes together. So we've just opened the box. Cass is going to give me a hand just unpacking it all. It is a two-person lift for many of these products. You'll see in the bottom drawer, a lot of the smalls are in here, so the wheels and instructions, which we'll go through today. And packed on top, and we'll just put this one on the ground now, is the overhead cupboard. Thanks, Cass. And then what we've also got here is the supports, which will go up the back, which will allow us to put the pegboard on and the overhead cupboard. So we'll just put those down. Thank you. And our pegboard as well. So let's see how it all goes together. So now we're starting the official construction of our roller toolbox. One of the back supports in this instance we've actually used as a bearer for when we've laid the unit over, just so that you don't squash your fingers. It also makes it easier to lift it up once you've finished. The other thing we've done is we've kept the box, and we've used the box really just as a protective mat so that we don't scratch our unit. The first step is to put our wheels on. So you've got two types of wheels, one with a little locking device. So we'll put both of those wheels on the front, which will enable you to have easy access to lock your roller toolbox in place. You've got 16 of these bolts, which are a 8mm bolt, 20mm long. I'm going to use a socket set today to put them on, which is a 14mm head. So I'll show you how to do that in a moment. The other thing is that I'm certainly looking after my safety today. So we've got safety gloves on and safety goggles. Let's have a look how it goes together. So we're going to stand up the unit now. As we covered off before, it's really important that you've got your two lockable wheels at the front. So we'll just lock those so that when we stand it upright, it won't slide. Here we go. Perfect. So before we do the back bracing, pegboard and the overhead cupboards, we'll just put our handles on first, and then I'll show you how to finish it off. When putting the handles on, the first thing we do is take this little screw out of the end. There's one in each side, just a little Phillips head, and we'll reuse that screw in a moment. Then we've got two of these flanges per handle. We'll just pop out the inner, slide the flange over the handle, and then we'll use the center screw hole for the moment, and we'll repurpose that screw that we just took out. So it's time to put our 4 braces on the rear. What you'll notice is that at one end the holes are further apart. That's actually the end that goes down, and where the holes are closer together, that's where we'll be attaching the pegboard and the overhead cupboard in a moment. They come with these little bolts, which are an Allen key bolt, and the kit also comes with the Allen key. So let's put those in now. They only go really one way, which is the flat surface against the cabinet. Put that one in now. And I'll put the bottom one in before we tighten it. Okay, that's one done, and we'll repeat for the next 3. Now for the pegboard. So we'll just slide that one carefully across the top, looking after our new bench top. All the holes will line up as per the bottom. Once we've got this last one in, we'll repeat for the next 3, 2 screws per hole, and then we'll put the overheads in. So now it's time for the overhead cupboard. So what we're going to do is bring it in. Cardi is giving us a hand this time. We're just going to put it up on the pegboard, lean it up there. We've also got the wheels locked, really importantly. So Cardi, just come around to the middle and I'll get you to support that for us. You're all good?
Yep.
And I'll just start putting in the screws to lock it in place, like so, and I'll just put one down the other end too before I do all of the others. Now it's time for the last step, which is just putting in our 2 shelves, one each side. We've got 4 of these little brackets which go in, and I'll show you how to do that. We actually put 1 at the back left corner, 1 at the front, and 2 on the side. And we'll show you how to do that now. So we've finished the installation now of the Stratco Roller Workbench. All of the cabinets can be locked. It's a really solid unit. The hammer tone finish is almost scratch proof. It's a really strong finish. All of the drawers are lockable. They actually come with this non-slip mat as well, which is terrific, and that's already in there, ready to go, cut to size. We can lock the doors and the drawers, and you can wheel it around. Thanks for watching.